Hello and welcome to Glassworks DMV. My name is Adrian, owner and lead artist. And to our left, we have a brand new Porsche 718 GT4 RS in paint to sample acid green. This vehicle was picked up from the Atlanta Delivery Center, where the client, very skillfully, I might add, covered the whole front end of the car in impact areas with some track wrap to keep it protected for the most part, on its way through the tail of the Dragon up to Northern Virginia. When we received the vehicle, we tore all of that off, got to work, getting rid of all the orange peel and texture from the paint with our level 5 signature paint correction services. That's much more than just removing scratches and swirls and defects from the factory paint. We're actually leveling the paint and taking the orange peel out of it. Why do we do this? It increases gloss, it increases reflection, it increases clarity. If you're gonna spend an extra $10,000+ for paint, you might as well make it look like you spent the extra money for paint. Once that step was complete, we wrapped the entire vehicle in Stek DynoShield paint protection film. Our custom installation method meant that most of the car was disassembled. Headlights, bumpers, aero, mirrors, door handles, rear lights, and wing were all removed. We also installed RSVN wing risers so that he can see out of the back of the car, as well as clean up some of the aero and increase the effectiveness of the rear wing. Various other areas of this vehicle were ceramic coated, Stek final coat over the paint protection film, Gyeon rim for the wheels, the brake calipers, and wheel well liners. Other changes to this vehicle include redoing the brake calipers from the factory no-cost option red to this beautiful gunmetal with an acid green contrast lettering, as well as doing the interior door pulls in a matching acid green pool.